ever since humankind discovered parallax effects, they've kind of become almost a norm on a lot of websites, but sometimes they grate me. Like, I do find that they can work quite well, but sometimes, you know, when you come to a website, it's got a really grand image and it's got some text, and then you get something like this where you've got triplicated, quadruplicated, like parallaxes everywhere. It gets a little bit much, especially when, like, at this point here, I'm now not seeing most of what I want to see, and I've got to scroll quite a bit to see like her face there. Like, it's a little bit, you know, and sometimes it grates me. I don't know about you. So can you do something a little bit different whereby you're not going full-blown parallax effect? Of course you can. Wouldn't it look better if you had something like this? So we still get this light effect, but can you see the wording here? Look at where it is. It's kind of level with the head. And just try and focus on the grass down here. As I move up, can you see the line? We're moving over, and the wording is also going higher. Like, look there. It's closer to the bag, and it's not even level with the head. Now, as we move down, it's now going up. We get over here. Yes, I know the face is still cut off, but it's not as bad, and we get a bit more of a softer look like that. And for anyone that's going, well, it's not that much different, let me just remind you of what we had before. Look at the difference we got there. The image is fixed, obviously, because parallax effect we got going on there. And then we got that, like that. Whereas here, can you see the image? As you scroll up, the image looks like it's moving down a little bit, just a little bit like that. And that, for me, is more pleasing on the eye than when you just get that. So how did I do this? It is so easy. A lot of you are going to go, oh yeah, is that it? There's the original one with a background image, obviously, and you can see the attachment is set to be a fix. That's how you get that whole, you know, the normal effect that we get like that. The second one is practically the same. The only difference is the attachment is set to default, but the extra bit is the scrolling effect over here. If I remove that, you're just going to have a static image like that. Look, there's no movement going on at all. You get more of the scenery though, which is quite nice, but that's it. No static image. Well, it is just a static image. You go to scrolling effects, and we have applied a vertical scroll. If I click that, I have set the direction to be down. So as you scroll up, I want the image to move down a little bit. So basically you get the effect. It normally defaults to a 4. Which I find is a little bit the impact wasn't as good as what I wanted, so I've gone for a 7 instead. By the way, if you do increase the number a lot more, it does zoom in, so watch out for that. If you go for a 1, you're practically going to get very little effect. All I've done is go for a 7, and that's it. I've not messed around with the viewport for the bottom or the top. I want it to kick in the moment you get to the bottom like that. That little bit of gradual movement with the image moving down, which is why it looks like the text is moving up, but in fact, it's the image going down, not the text going up, if that makes sense, because the text is in line with, I mean, the distance between that and that is the same, whether I'm here or here, but it looks like it's going higher, but it's the image going down, whereas here, it's just straight over. So I do think this nice gradual effect works so much better. What was the point of the video? I don't know, I just wanted to share that with you. I'm Imran, Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag.